What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change a HT lead. Now it is an easy thing to do, it's not complicated, but there is a few things that you need to remember when you're doing something like this, and I will get to that in a minute. First thing we need to do, on this card anyway, is remove this, and this is basically the air box the air filters contained inside this. Now the only thing which secures this on to the engine is these two bolts. However, we do have to remove all the pipes which connect to it. This one, pretty easy, just pulls off. This little one at the back here, that one just pulls off. However, this one, as you can see, it's got a special clip. And the easiest way to remove these is with a set of hose clamp pliers. Now these are very simple to use. One way, there we go. One way opens it, and if you turn them around and do it again, that way closes it. It's that simple. Now these aren't expensive, about £5, something like that. Well worth having if you're going to do any work on cars. And then once everything's disconnected, all you have to do is, from the back of this car, pull it up, and there's just two little grommets at the back which fit over these studs. And here we go, these are the HT leads. Now, the one thing to remember is that these always have to go in the right place. Like for instance, this short one here always has to go to this. Otherwise, when this fires, if it's on this one, it'll fire this spark plug instead of this one. So the engine won't start, or it will run really bad. Now, all you have to do is pull this clip up, and that will allow you to separate them. Now the only one I actually need to change is the small one, and I'll show you why in a minute. But in order to do that, I'm just going to take off all the other ones, and these just pull out of the holes. Ooh, that one's a bit dirty and a little bit wet. Not a good sign, is it? And then finally, this one. It's jammed in. So, what I'll do, I'll remove it from this end. So this is the only one I need to remove. So kept all the other ones on there, so we're not going to get mixed up. Now, basically to install this, dead easy. Basically what we've done just a minute ago when we took it off, just push it on. And then this one just pushes in. And there we go, that's all there is to it. Now, if you're doing all of these, then just do one at a time. Just remove one at a time from here, then you'll be able to know which one's which. You won't get them in the wrong order, because that is basically just bad news. Almost forgot. Need to throw this one back on. Just pushes on, and it just keeps them all nice and neat. There we go. and that is it. You know, as you can see, very easy. You know, if you don't have to unbolt your cover, no bolts to do. And that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've actually learned doing this, if you need to, is easy. I've been Chris Dalton. I'll catch you in my next video, and remember, please like, share and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.